How to blur background in NanoBanana AI? Follow this guide. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your phone and search for NanoBanana AI and head over to the official website. Once you open the page, simply scroll down until you reach the AI editor section. Here you will notice two options, image to image and text to image. For this process, we will be using image to image. Furthermore, click on the add image option and choose the photo from your gallery whose background you want to blur. Once the image is uploaded, you will see a message box right below it. To blur the background, just type make the background slightly out of focus. After writing your prompt, tap on the generate button. Finally, NanoBanana AI will process your request, and within a few moments, your edited photo will appear in the output section. And that's it. That's how you can blur the background using NanoBanana AI.